Hi guys, it's Simon at Kairos Capital Markets. Today is just a little quick update on what's happening with me in regards to why I've not been on the trading so much this week. So basically I had to pop into London all week virtually, doing a lot of stuff really to sort some other bits and bobs out with our new fund account. And I just quite literally haven't been around to trade. So the limited trades I've taken or tried to take is quite been placed on pure orders only, nothing else. So I'm going to show you some the missed trades of the week. I will, okay? So pound Aussie. I said pound Aussie when it was here. I said to myself it'll go up, and I want to get up before the 1.68 level. Okay, that's what I wanted to see there. And obviously the next day just pull back to the 4-hour 50 and come back in. So although it produced what some people say is a reversal candle, it was just a 4-hour pullback to value. Now unfortunately we missed that value by that much. That's what we missed it by. Was it a couple of pips there? 2 pips like that it is there. And quite literally, if I'd seen that live in the market, I would have entered after this point here, purely because it's just extremely good value there. And I would have liked the signal perfect to actually enter there. Obviously we haven't, so it doesn't matter. But if you did take this trade, or you are in this at the moment, bear in mind my limit would still stay the same, but I would bring my stop up to this level here, so you can guarantee the lock-in over 3% there. That's what I would do personally to manage the trade. And also, like I said, leave the limit on up there, so if you get stopped out there for 3.2 or it hits the limit of 4.9, so that's the 2 options there. Going on forward next week, I'm hoping to have a bit more time to actually trade live again. I do kind of miss it, in all fairness. And yeah, the DDPs will be up a bit more frequently. I missed a trade today as well, funny enough. It's Aussie 200. So again, I looked at the chart, it looked quite nice. That's the daily chart, that is, and I expect it to go up much higher. So this chart here, I'm expecting to go up to at least 5950, and that's the reason why there. For the daily, there's your quad top there. But the problem with this trade though was this: the trade has already tested everything I'd like it to test already, so that's my problem. And there it is there. So the 1 hour has already tested the key level, the 4-hour 50 and almost the 1-hour 50 and the pivot, and bounced back upwards. So for me personally, I feel that if it comes down to this level again, that's fine, no problem. But if it doesn't, if you entered here in the trade and you want to put your stop like there somewhere, you've really dramatically reduced your risk to reward, which I don't think is worth it, to be honest. That's just my personal style of trading, so I want the risk to reward to actually be much greater here than what it was on offer. And yeah, so these are missed trades you have. So how do you deal with them? Well, like I said, I'm not jumping on this trade. I know where I want price to enter. Again, I'm going to London tomorrow as well. I've got lots of stuff on again, so I have placed an order here, but I was just too late to get to the market tonight to even actually look at this chart, which again can be quite annoying. But you have to understand, you don't get every single run. I know the way I trade, I'll get some of these trades. I'll pick some of these trades up, no problem at all. A trade that did get tagged in though this week, just to let you know, was this Kiwi CAD short. So on the daily, we've got multiple rejections of this level here. Your first level, you could say, is maybe the daily 50, although it hasn't been respected the very recent couple of times. But you know, we'll have a look there. But my longer term view on this, as you know, is actually down to this level here, down to the weekly here. That's what I'm looking at really. My limit is actually set on this trend line, purely because the trend line shows you on the monthly chart. This is how strong this trend line is. And the actual monthly 50, so that's what I expected to go to next. So it's not all is lost. At least I'm in one trade there. But obviously, even if you could maybe at the end of the week, we might get a decent signal here. For instance, you just put a weekly order on, place your order there, put your stop maybe just there, just so you stop clipping on the actual second candle there. Put your limit there, and you still get a 2.5% trade there on the weekly chart. So there's still options there if you did miss that one. But no, I'm in this one myself anyway. It's not too bad. Anyway, next week, like I said, I hope it goes better for me. I hope I actually get to spend more time with you guys and help you out and show you what I'm doing. I will do a weekly review tomorrow evening or Saturday at some point. But it's been a good week, 100% hit ratio again. If you took the trades I actually would have taken just by orders, you still would have made money this week, ironically enough, even though I thought some of them were quite bad once they developed halfway through the day. But yeah, I'll go for the weekly review later with you. Okay guys, take care, have a good weekend.